Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a look at the new Meme People stamp set. It's a 3x4 stamp set. You're getting one image and 3 sentiments in this set. We're going to stamp this out real quick so you can have a look at it. Now this image is measuring approximately 2 7/8 of an inch high by 2.5 inches wide at the widest point. I love her. The sentiments are so me. And here's the sample that I created for you. And now I paired it up with the comic speech bubble die set and also the brand new WTF background stamp from Whimsy. Now, for more information on the products shared in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. We hope you'll click that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content. And until next time, take care.